Is your Sceptre monitor turning on and off repeatedly? This frustrating power cycling issue affects many users, especially those with older models. This problem is particularly common in Sceptre monitors manufactured between 2018 and 2022, though newer models from 2023 and 2024 have shown significant improvements in power supply stability. Understanding the root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are three primary categories of issues that lead to power cycling. First, power supply unit failures are the most common culprit. The internal components, especially capacitors, degrade over time, leading to voltage instability and thermal protection activation. Second, display panel problems can trigger power cycling. This includes backlight inverter malfunctions, LED strip failures, and deteriorating connection cables within the monitor. Third, external factors often contribute to power cycling. These include inadequate power delivery from wall outlets, faulty power cables, and electromagnetic interference from nearby devices. The monitor's built-in protection circuits are designed to detect these problems. When they sense voltage anomalies, excessive current draw, or dangerous temperature levels, they automatically trigger the power cycling to prevent damage. Now that we understand what causes power cycling in Sceptre monitors, we can move on to practical troubleshooting steps that can help resolve these issues effectively. Start troubleshooting with the simplest solutions first. Power cable issues cause many cycling problems and are easy to fix. Replace the power cable with a known working unit, test different wall outlets, and ensure all connections are secure at both ends. If cable replacement doesn't work, try a factory reset through the monitor's on-screen display menu. Navigate to the Others menu, select Factory Reset, then power cycle the monitor after the reset completes. If basic fixes don't work, the problem likely lies in the power supply capacitors. These components commonly fail and cause power cycling. Look for capacitors that are bulging, leaking, or show signs of damage. These are clear indicators of capacitor failure. Different repair methods have varying success rates. Cable and connection fixes succeed 65% of the time, while capacitor replacement has an 80% success rate when capacitors are the root cause. For monitors under 3 years old, capacitor replacement is often the most cost-effective solution, typically costing $40 to $60 for professional repair. If all troubleshooting steps fail, consider professional repair for newer monitors or replacement for older units, where repair costs exceed the monitor's value.